Hi, I'm Buffalo Bill, here at the Golden Spike Tower in North Platte, where you can get the best view of Bailey Yard, until now, with my very own homemade jetpack. That's a little loose. One small step for man. Oh. That's fine. One giant leap for North Platte. All right, Houston, we got clear skies. Ready for action. This one's for you, Elton John. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Woo! The last time I trust SpaceX. Well, if you're looking for the world's best view of the world's biggest rail yard, come to North Platte. That's why Golden Spike Tower gets Buffalo Bill's Buffalo of approval. Holy look at all these trains.